book that I'm going to read you today is a non-fiction book, and it is about blizzards. So let's read this book to learn more about what a blizzard is. It's written by Lisa Bullard. Blizzards. What is a blizzard? Cold winds blast. Cars are buried under snowdrifts. Why has the world turned white? This monster storm is called a blizzard. Blizzards are storms with blowing snow and cold, but not all snowstorms are blizzards. It takes a strong wind to turn a snowstorm into a blizzard. Blizzard winds blow 35 miles per hour or more. They last for at least 3 hours. Right here, this scientist is using a special tool to measure the wind speed. The strong winds swirl any falling snow. Winds pick up more snow from the ground. Blowing snow in the air makes it very hard to see. People can become lost while walking or driving. A weather map right here is showing a winter storm over the eastern United States. That's what those clouds are, that white. Where blizzards happen. Blizzards happen most often in the countries of Canada, Russia, and the United States. Most blizzards in the United States happen in the north central and northeastern states. Most snowstorms do not become blizzards. There might be only a few blizzards in the United States each year, but these storms can kill people. This is a picture of a blizzard that happened in New York City in 2003. Right here it says heavy snow made this roof cave in. We're going to talk about the dangers of blizzards. Snow and ice make roads very slippery. Some people die in car accidents. Roofs can cave in from the heavy snow and crush people. People can die of heart attacks while shoveling. During a blizzard, the temperature can become very cold. Strong winds make it feel even colder. This is known as wind chill. People and animals should not stay outside too long in this weather. They could freeze to death. And it says right here, if you have to go outside during a blizzard, then you should cover as much of your skin as possible. People can get frostbite. The cold freezes a part of their bodies. Frostbite often happens to fingers, toes, or ears. That's why it's important that you would wear a hat and gloves and thick socks under your shoes so that you don't get frostbite. Tracking blizzards. Scientists who study the weather are called meteorologists. Here's a picture of a meteorologist right here. They try to warn everyone before blizzard strikes. They use computers and other tools to track storms, but they cannot always tell when or where a blizzard will hit. Blizzards often take people by surprise. Storm of the century. A huge blizzard in 1993 surprised many people. It was called the Storm of the Century. The blizzard hit 26 states. Heavy snow fell in states that rarely get snow. Winds blew over 100 miles per hour at times. More than 4 feet of snow fell in some places. 4 feet, that's about as tall as you are. The storm even caused several tornadoes. More than 270 people died. Staying safe. People who live in cold places watch for blizzard warnings. They stay home. They may wear many layers of clothing to stay warm. They try not to drive on slippery streets. Some people have snowmobiles. Like this man right here is driving a snowmobile. They can still get around when the roads are covered with snow. Snow is an important source of Earth's water, but the wildest snowstorms are also dangerous. Don't take chances in a blizzard. Wait inside until it is safe to go out and play.